what motivated IPD to create a Benelux index? Because I do believe that these markets are indeed perceived as being quite different from the investor's point of view, but maybe something else motivated IPD to create that index. Was it demand driven?
Explain yourself.
I will. Actually, it is not an index. I explained
It's
that
a market indicator.
in
I'm
market
sorry.
indicator. And it was a personal idea of mine, so it is not so much an IPD New York, London decision. So to be honest, on the other hand, I'm living now for about 51 years in the Netherlands and in the Benelux area. And I think from a European point of view, the regions are becoming more and more important. And regions should be identified from a macroeconomic point of view and not so much from, let's say, in industrial point of view or real estate or whatever. Because when you take that perspective, you're looking from the bottom end, you look upwards. But actually, I think, taking into account that the economy is driven by capital markets and how capital markets are being regulated, and we see that European regulation and global regulation becomes more important for capital markets than, let's say, country by country regulation, then the role of regions and how they interact with each other and how cities and countries within regions interact with each other is becoming more and more important. And then when you look into, let's say, how the Dutch economy, and I'm not talking about up north in the Netherlands, but let's say the heart of the Netherlands and the southern part and the Flanders part, together with, let's say, focal points as Brussels and Amsterdam and Luxembourg interact with each other, I think we could say that there is a true economic zone, a true economic region emerging, if yet not already there. And for that part, I would say it is IPD's obligation, duty also to support that via information and further insight from a property point of view.